It doesn't sound that bad. The record player is a Garrard AT6 Mark II.
Made in England.
Yep.
Boy, it should be.
This is RPM Speed and Wow app, it's called. It's a free app.
Okay.
You just kind of center it. And I'm in the 33 position.
So that's probably not that bad.
No. So it might be just cleaning it up.
Then it sounds like crap.
So I'm 2.5% slower than.
Try one of these. DeGarmo and Key. Sorry, guys. If you guys are popular, I'm not sure. You look rad, though. Welcome to 1984, ladies and gentlemen. Just because you buy this piece of furniture, you can probably interchange, like, say you didn't want this record player, you could go with a higher end or a lower end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's just an audio connection and a power connection going to the record player.
There will be 2 lateral retaining latches securing the turntable.
One there, and then there's one on the opposite side. So I'd unclip those. Can you push down on the record player a little bit? Just because it's on a spring. Yeah, like that. That's one.
Okay. Oop. Better.
That's why you always want to make sure power's off too, because there might be live crap in there.
With them released, rotate the turntable to disconnect the power
So that's our, is there a red and black or what is it?
and stereo audio or RCA cables, which we mark to ensure proper reinstallation.
Pin. This just lifts off now.
Okay.
Remove the central retaining clip and center shaft.
So this is the motor right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the direct drive, so there's no belt. And so that's what I'm thinking is why we're slow,
Okay.
is that this piece is worn. But this should spin pretty easy. It's still kinda, it needs oil. It doesn't just spin on its own.
No.
This thing should just come up. And that's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be super loose. So that's good.
Remove the washer,
Take that off. That's just a washer. I'll clean that up.
followed by the bearings
There's the bearings.
for cleaning and repacking.
Get fresh lube in there and clean all that gunk up.
So that one's on the center spindle.
Correct.
Oh, jeez.
Using 91% isopropyl alcohol, let's use a Q-tip to clean off the old grease. We found a clean toothbrush and isopropyl alcohol worked well to clean the bearings. Wipe off the remaining dirty grease.
Did that have a bunch of grease on it?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Now, depending on the desired speed, this disc will articulate with the different levels of the motor spindle.
This piece is just a little bit off where it should contact the motor spindle.
Underneath, we'll adjust the black clip so that we improve the disc's contact with the motor spindle. To make sure our motor is optimally rotating, we'll add a few drops of silicone oil available from Amazon for about $10.
You don't want to get any oil on this, on the rubber part.
Let's relubricate the center pin, repack the bearings, and reassemble.
And then that side goes that side up.
And don't forget to lubricate our tone arms plate. securing it with the top clip. Reattach the right and left audio cables. Along with the power cable.
But moment of truth, man.
So what is this program called? Yum Yum.
RPM speed and wow.
Definitely not China.
So if you put a 33 record on a 45, sounds like Chipmunks.
You betcha.
I think it's
I did it!
It says a 79, so or
Is that-
78 or whatever.
What's it supposed to be? 78. Woo woo.
Let the sucker get up to speed.
I think it is up to speed.
It might be.
It practically is.
It's getting there. That's pretty close.
Yeah.
So what percentage is that? 6%.
I wanted to get up to speed before I reset. Definitely takes off to speed a lot faster. Oh, look at that.
Go for it. Oh, I saw 33.
I did too. It's 33 and a third.
Yes. Whoop, whoop.
We were going like that.
There you go.
Yes.
Let's load up Dalmo though first. Oh my gosh, Dalmo and Key.
It's DeGarmo.
Not to me and my heart.
No wonder.
Let's take us back to the golden age in 1984 when DeGarmo and Key ran the radio station.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time.
This sounds like the right speed.
It does. It's a lot faster. Oh yeah. It's so much faster.
Here. I think back when these things were made, people had smaller hands.
40s probably.
Just imagine how many like songs that it's played to people kissing. You know?
It's witnessed so many things.
Yeah, it's seen so much. Its eyes have seen so much. For shaving, do you use an electric shaver or do you just do straight razor?
I do straight.
Do you?
Yeah.
You would do straight.
Straighty.